Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll guide you through fixing the issue of not receiving verification codes. Whether you're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, or Snapchat, and you're stuck waiting for that code to arrive, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. So please like this video. Step 1. Check iMessage settings. First, head over to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Messages. Here are a few things to check. Toggle off iMessage. Turn it off, wait about 10 seconds, and then toggle it back on. You'll see Waiting for Activation pop up, and once it's activated, you're good to go. Enable Send as SMS. Make sure this setting is turned on so you can receive verification codes as regular text messages in case iMessage doesn't work. Turn off Filter Unknown Senders. If this is enabled, it might filter out the messages from bots sending the codes. Make sure it's off to avoid missing these messages. Step 2. Review blocked contacts. Next, go to blocked contacts in your settings. If you've blocked any numbers that might send verification codes, especially those shorter numbers like 6456, remove them from the blocked list. Tap Edit and clear out any numbers that could be important. Step 3. Disable Do Not Disturb. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and ensure Do Not Disturb is turned off. If it's enabled, notifications, including text messages, will be silenced. Toggle it off to allow those messages through. Step 4. Restart your phone. Lastly, hold down the volume up and power buttons together, then slide to power off your device. Once it's off, turn it back on to refresh your phone's settings. By following these steps, you should start receiving those verification codes without any issues and regain access to your accounts. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.